is like race car inside. Totally different. My friend has a real one of these, I guess, stock, and it does not look like this at all, man.
Not at all.
Mad respect, dude.
It's actually a gimbal. I didn't know that.
Oh, yeah.
That's like the whole cushion.
Y'all are freaking me out.
You used all your good luck on the first one.
Hey!
Hey, just ignore us. Don't worry about us.
Lost freaking battery.
Really?
Yeah.
I think we center a little too hard. Oh no. What do you think about all this?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's kick ass.
Dang. Can you get some videos with this thing up there? Just some cinematic.
Oh, yeah, sure. Cinematic view.
Yeah.
Make sure this is lost all Been having trouble this whole time getting this.
Well, first drifted and we broke it on the first try.
That's what you set up a stock motor into the blew it up.
You turn the wheel hard enough to get it to go down the hill.
I think his views is cinematic because it's gonna get up here.
Sounds good, thank you.
Yeah.
Well, we're really getting 4 men power instead of horsepower. We got men power. What was your name, bro?
I'm like,
Nice to meet you, man. Next time.
we'll do it again, I promise.
Oh, now you wanna go.
Let's see what this thing can do.
Yeah, let's take this thing drifting.
You're lucky if we grades on it. Ford racing computer, controller.
Okay.
It's tuned pretty spicy.
That's pretty cool, dude.
Appreciate
I
it.
love it.
Not too bad.
So how much horsepower is this thing?
I haven't dynoed it, but it's probably somewhere around 350, 400.
Woo-hoo-hoo, nice, man. Woo-hoo-hoo, yeah, that was nice, dude. That was smooth. Right. Oh, this is a rotary?
Yeah, it's a RX-7.
Oh, for real? One of my friends would love this. Dang. I feel that fuel shut off. I got you. I see what you're saying now.
It's not as bad here, but those like quick transitions right there. Just go down there and see how that watch them pull it out. When they pull it off the curb.
Oh. Alright, there's a 350Z right there. Looks like it hit a curb. Okay guys, so no one really tells you about the cons of drifting. It's really all about the pros. But as you can see, we got a wipeout over there. Yeah, that thing macked the curb. So, look at all these remnants of the tires. Check that out. Look at all these tires. Dang, that's crazy. So there's a 350Z right there. Oh, that hurts to watch. Wow, look at that. Oof. Dang. That's crazy. Oh, dang! Yo, 100K right there.
You know what happened? Someone probably got in a real bad wreck and they shoved the ambulance up here for them to land. So it wasn't over here that happened.
Was it a wreck? No.
There was probably someone got real hurt and they were in a wreck on the interstate or something. And they couldn't land on the interstate.
Oh, maybe. Nah.
The thing about them though, if that one of the engines goes out, it's screwed.
If what? One of the engines?
Yeah, they only got one engine. Oh wait, no, that one's got two. That's the older model.
It'll still land. You can still land it. It'll hover down because the blade will keep spinning because of the wind.
Auto rotate them.
Yeah, auto rotate. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
All right, show us what you're wearing, bro. You be wearing only like swag, bro. You got the this summer. You got that jacket. You got the flamingos. You got a windbreaker. You got the bananas, bro. You got these shoes. Now this guy here, his name is he only be wearing merch. So Bass Pro, and then he's wearing this. Look at the texture on this.
$80 right here.
This honeycomb pattern. This is amazing. Look, he's got the slammed enough. He just be wearing merch. This guy just be wearing, you know, whatever. Because honestly,
Because I'm a baller.
we don't care what we wear.
We don't care.
Even though I do.
We should have loaded all the